Okay, welcome back to another video. So, you clicked on the thumbnail, you know what the video is about. You want to know how to build this drill storage. Watch this video and we'll show you how it's done. If you're new, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us out a lot. Give us a thumbs up if you like the video. Leave a comment down below and let us know what you think. Thanks. Alright, so we'll start here with a couple of scrap pieces of 3/4 plywood. Now, of course, we have a plan here. We drew up on our own. You don't have to build to this same scale. And we'll get this kicked off over at the miter saw to make these cuts happen for us. Alright, now we have all of our pieces cut here. We'll start by using the brad nail gun. We're just going to use this to hold it together. Just no wood glue, just brad nails for now. Then we'll go back and pre-drill some holes and put screws in it. But this is just to structurally get it together. We'll start here with the outside pieces and then work our way to the inside. Alright, now that we have everything together, before we put the top shelf in, we're going to go ahead and take a drill bit, pre-drill all the holes, and then we're going to be using some 1 5/8" wood screws to put this thing together to make sure it doesn't go anywhere. Okay, so while we're pre-drilling all these holes, getting ready to screw these down, I figured it'd be a good time to go ahead and tell you. If you're not already doing so, go give us a follow on Instagram. We do post a lot on there recently, sneak peeks of upcoming videos or what we're working on that maybe the video isn't out yet. Also, we are available on TikTok if you want to check us out there too. Alright, now we're getting ready to set the top shelf in place. You can put this at any height that you prefer. It's just for storage. We're using here some 1x6 blocks to set it on to give us our spacing. And then we'll clamp it down, pre-drill the holes, and install the 1 5" screws. Alright, we're going to get this thing hung up on the wall now that it's finished. I hope you guys found this video to be helpful to you. Just very quick and simple, easy build, less than $20 worth of material. It really provides a good space for storage and helps keep you organized. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you guys on the next one. When